Experts explained whether everyone can eat Turkish peas. The endocrinologist spoke about the beneficial properties of chickpeas, which are also called Turkish peas, and the features of its effect on the body. Legumes in high esteem. The last few years, chickpeas have gained popularity in our country, says the endocrinologist. It is also called Turkish peas. This legume is one of the richest sources of protein, fat, fiber, calcium, as well as magnesium, potassium and vitamins A and C. What attracts you to it? Chickpeas have a low calorie content compared to other representatives of legumes. It is the leader in the number of essential amino acids essential for the body, methionine and tryptophan. Chickpea boasts a rich mineral composition, containing iron, calcium, magnesium, manganese, selenium, zinc, silicon, phosphorus, cobalt. Chickpeas are a great meat substitute. Helps to lose weight. Useful for those who suffer from anemia and blood pressure. Strengthens the immune system, regulates cellular activity. A small portion of chickpeas fills the body with energy for the whole day. Dishes from chickpeas must be consumed by people suffering from diabetes, as this member of the legume family has a low glycemic index. It normalizes blood sugar levels, says the endocrinologist. What are the benefits and harms of hummus? Hummus is an original and hearty appetizer based on mashed chickpeas. Even after heat treatment, hummus retains all the beneficial properties of chickpeas. The only contraindications to the use of hummus and chickpeas are a tendency to flatulence. Thank you for taking the time to watch our content. If you find our video interesting, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for upcoming content. To stay up to date with our latest offerings, kindly click the bell icon. Additionally, we have included some valuable links in the video description below, which we encourage you to check out. We look forward to your continued presence on our channel.